Minerals, your body can't make them, but it falls apart without them. There are two categories: macro minerals, you need a lot, and trace minerals, you need tiny amounts to do massive work. Let's start with macro minerals. Calcium. Calcium is structural and electrical. It builds bones and teeth, keeps your heartbeat steady, contracts your muscles, and allows nerves to fire. If your blood calcium drops, your body steals it from your bones. That's where long-term deficiency shows up. Weak bones, brittle nails, cramps. Sources: dairy, tofu, chia seeds, broccoli, canned salmon. It only works properly when vitamin D, magnesium, and phosphorus are around. Phosphorus, calcium's partner. It forms bones and teeth, but more importantly, it powers every cell through ATP and builds DNA and cell membranes. Low phosphorus means muscle weakness, bone pain, fatigue, and confusion. Natural sources: salmon, chicken, eggs, yogurt, lentils, almonds. The catch: phosphorus in processed foods absorbs too fast and can pull calcium from your bones. Magnesium. Magnesium runs over 300 enzymes. It controls energy production, nerve signals, muscle function, and heart rhythm. It literally manages how calcium and potassium move in and out of your cells. Chronic low magnesium equals poor sleep, high blood pressure, insulin resistance. Sources: pumpkin seeds, almonds, spinach, beans, dark chocolate. Sodium and potassium. These two create your body's main electrical system. Sodium stays outside cells, potassium stays inside. Pumping them back and forth generates the electricity that fires nerves and contracts muscles, including your heart. Too much sodium or too little potassium disrupts that balance and raises blood pressure. Sodium equals salt and processed foods. Potassium equals bananas, avocados, spinach, beans. Chloride, another key electrolyte. It stabilizes your fluid levels and acid-base balance, and it helps your stomach make hydrochloric acid, crucial for digestion and killing bacteria. Low chloride shows up after heavy sweating or dehydration, weakness, twitching, digestion issues. Sources: salt, cheese, seaweed, olives, canned foods. Sulfur, the quiet builder. It forms proteins: keratin, hair and nails, collagen, skin and joints, and glutathione, your main antioxidant. It also helps make insulin. Deficiency shows up as brittle hair and nails or fatigue. Sources: eggs, garlic, onions, leeks. Trace minerals: tiny amounts, huge impact. Iron. Iron lets your blood carry oxygen. It builds hemoglobin and myoglobin and supports energy-producing enzymes. Low iron means weakness, pale skin, shortness of breath, brain fog. Sources: red meat, liver, fish, lentils, tofu, spinach. Copper. Copper makes iron usable. It also helps build connective tissue and supports antioxidant enzymes. Low copper goes to anemia that iron can't fix. Sources: oysters, cashews, almonds, sunflower seeds, dark chocolate, sesame seeds. Zinc. You can't heal or grow without zinc. It powers immune function, hormone production, skin repair, taste, and smell. Low zinc means slow wound healing, frequent infections, hair loss, loss of taste or smell. Sources: oysters, red meat, chicken, eggs, seeds, legumes. Iodine. Iodine runs your thyroid, which runs your metabolism. Low iodine slows everything down: fatigue, weight gain, dry skin, brain fog, and can cause goiter. Sources: iodized salt, seafood, seaweed, eggs, dairy. Selenium. Selenium protects cells and activates thyroid hormones. It's a key part of antioxidant enzymes. Low selenium weakens immunity and slows thyroid function. Sources: Brazil nuts, tuna, chicken, brown rice, whole grains. Manganese supports bone formation and protects mitochondria through antioxidant enzymes. Deficiency is rare but affects bone strength and healing. Sources: whole grains, oats, nuts, spinach, black tea. Fluoride strengthens tooth enamel and reduces decay. Too little equals weak enamel. Too much equals white spots or brittle bones. Sources: water and toothpaste. Chromium makes insulin work properly. Low chromium interferes with blood sugar control and energy use. Sources: black pepper, whole grains, egg yolks, beef, broccoli, green beans. Cobalt only matters as part of vitamin B12. It helps make red blood cells and protects nerves. Low B12, especially in strict vegans, causes anemia, numbness, and memory issues. Sources: meat, fish, eggs, dairy. That's the complete set of minerals your body can't make but can't function without. Miss them and core systems start failing fast. Stay sharp, learn your biology, take care of the chemistry that keeps you alive.